Hey everyone, dalevlog coming at you with another unboxing video. We'll have a lot of those coming up. Today is a very special guest here. We've got Terry himself and his chocolate orange. So let's get started, shall we? First, if you look at the box, it's a very clean box. We've got Terry's orange, and it says that in orange lettering and shows a picture of the product, which makes sense because that is the product you're going to be unboxing. This, take note everybody, this is the original, 175 grams. On the other side, basically the same thing, but it says natural orange flavor. We'll get to that later, don't worry. On this side, it says orange, but it says arôme naturel d'orange. So that's different. On the top, basically the same, but it says whack and unwrap. Now the bottom, that's a barcode for store purposes. If you don't work in the store, you can skip this part, folks. Now, let's take a look at the nutrition facts here. It says imported by, stuff there, per 4 segments. So what that means is, well, we'll get to that later as well, actually. You have to smack it into segments. We've got 180 calories, fat, 10 grams, saturated fat, 6 grams, trans fat, 0.1 grams, cholesterol, 5 milligrams, sodium, 50 milligrams, carbohydrate, 22 grams, fiber, 1 gram, sugars, 21 grams, protein, 2 grams. Vitamin A and C, they're 0%, so you should take a vitamin, folks. Calcium, 6%. Iron, 10%. Then this is just for French. The ingredients, well, you can read that at your own leisure. Let's get into the product. Oh, almost forgot everyone. The expiry date, 2017, January 11th. So what that means is that I'm going to have to eat it before that, or else I might get a tummy ache. Let's start unboxing the product, shall we? So inside, you find the chocolate orange, which makes sense because that's the product that we bought. Oh, well, it's inside this plastic thing, which, see what that does is it holds the orange like that. But then we don't need it in that anymore, so we can take that away and put it to the side. And now we have the orange. Now's the fun part, everyone. Time to whack and unwrap. Now's the fun part, everyone. Like I said, time to smack it. Now that's been sufficiently whacked, now we can unwrap it, as the instruction manual says. Having a bit of trouble here.
It's a little bit more difficult than peeling an actual orange.
That's correct. And here it is. As you can see now, we've got all these segments. So remember before when I said each serving is 4 segments? Each one of these now is 1 segment piece. So, looks good everyone. Coming up, look for a review. We'll have another video on that coming up soon.